What is going on, my YouTube friends? So yeah, another day out in the garage with the Fairmont. Yeah, buddy. But anyhow, let's turn this around and show you what I got going on. I actually kind of bolted the steering column up and trying to see where all the wires go to. And yeah, let's turn this around. Yeah, look at here, man. Steering column. Yeah, buddy. So I kind of got in here and I kind of plugged everything up to the steering column. And then I'll find out all the wires that go on this side right here with the fuse box and that. Kind of hooked up the wires for the headlights and the turn signals and stuff out front right there. Here is the headlight switch and everything else is hooked up. So all the other wires, basically that's hanging down there, go across under the dashboard. So a lot of the wires have been removed because a lot of the stuff like the heater and stuff like that we're not going to be using. So I need to go in the house and find me some kind of a panel or make a panel that would go where the heater and everything went, because there's just not going to be a heater in a car. It's not going to happen. So I ain't going to be driving this thing anyhow on the road that much. I'm definitely not going to be driving in the wintertime. So, but anyhow, I figured I'd kind of give you an update of what's going on here and to see what we're doing. Yeah, buddy. So, like I said, the steering column's in. I'm gonna have to drop it back down when I do put the dash in. So, and there's the dash. And I might be able to get it up there without, no, probably not. That mirror is gonna be in the way, so I'll probably have to drop the steering column down. But it gives me more of an idea where the wires go to, that, you know, for the other side, for the door ding and stuff like that. And all the wires that go back and go into the taillights areas on this side. You can see that strip right there. That's what goes back to the taillights and that. So we are moving forward because I like to get some of this stuff done. I would like to get this engine running soon. I'm not going to give no time limit, but I'd like to do it before the snow flies. You know, we'll see what happens. I guess that kind of is a time limit. But just giving a short update where I'm at, what I'm doing. I got the headers pretty much all secure. I still got to move the engine around a little bit, but I just didn't feel like crawling underneath it again. Didn't know. So let me turn this back around here. Sneezing my head off. All this dust and everything that's in the car and everything. Whoo-wee, buddy, I'm telling you what. Make you sneeze. Yeah, man. But anyhow, I just want to give you an update. You know, I'm going to try to come out here and do work at least an hour and a two. Every day until I get this thing going. You know, I mean, and I've said this before, but I get busy. I understand that. But a lot of the contract talks and stuff that we're going through right now, we're getting ahead of things. So I think we'll be done with those here within the next couple months. But that doesn't stop me from coming out here in the evening and working on the Fairmont and stuff like that. And I got to get back on my diet. Oh my God, I've gained weight and I'm getting uncomfortable again, you know, so time to start working out, get back on that diet, baby. Oh yeah, you know, got to stop eating those donuts, ice cream. That stuff just makes you want more. But anyhow, I appreciate you guys. You guys are awesome. Thanks for watching my videos. Thanks to all my new subscribers, my old subscribers. You guys are awesome. And if anybody tells you any different, you tell them come see me and I'll tell them you're awesome. Have a great rest of your day, night, whatever time it is you watch this. Sit with the beagles for a minute. Yeah, buddy. Mr. Hook, what are you doing? Look at Daisy. She's looking for frogs. For some reason, they love frogs. Don't ya? Mr. Hook. Daisy's looking for that bunny rabbit. Rusty, what are you doing? I ain't got no food. Penny, what are you looking for? Oh, she's eating grass. All right.